Welcome to this tutorial on counting palindromic substrings. This is a very popular interview question and a classic problem in string manipulation. Today, we will learn how to efficiently solve it. First, let's make sure we understand what a palindrome is. A palindrome is simply a string that reads the same forwards and backwards, like race-car or level. It has perfect symmetry. Here is our specific problem. You are given a string S. Your task is to count exactly how many substrings within S are palindromes. Remember, a substring is a continuous part of the string. Let's look at a simple example with the string ABC. The substrings are a B, C, AB, BC, and ABC. Only the single characters B and C are palindromes, so the answer is 3. Now consider the string AAA. Every single substring here works. We have 3 single A's, we have 2 substrings of AA, and 1 substring of AAA. Adding them all up, we get a total of 6. A naive approach would be to find every single possible substring and check if it is a palindrome. However, generating all substrings takes O of n squared time, and checking each one takes O of n time. This results in a total complexity of O of n cubed, which is too slow for large strings. We can do better by expanding around the center. The core idea is that every palindrome mirrors around a specific center point. Instead of checking substrings, we pick a center and expand outwards to the left and right as long as the characters match. There are 2 types of centers to consider. For odd-length palindromes like ABA, the center is a specific character. For even-length palindromes like ABA, the center is effectively the gap between 2 characters. So the algorithm is, iterate through every index in the string. For each index, treat it as a center for an odd-length palindrome and expand. Then, treat it and the next character as a center for an even-length palindrome and expand. We sum up all the successful matches. This approach is much more efficient. Since we have n centers and each expansion takes at most O of n time, our total time complexity is O of n squared. The space complexity is O of 1 because we are not using any extra data structures. Here is the logic in code. We loop through the string. Inside the loop, we have 2 while loops, one for odd centers starting at I, and one for even centers starting at I and I plus 1. As long as the characters match and we are in bounds, we increment our count. To wrap up, the brute force method is too slow. The expand around center technique reduces the time to O of n squared. Don't forget to handle both odd and even length centers. This is an efficient and elegant solution to the problem.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.